Most people are quite familiar with THL as a global leader in motorhome and camper rentals, thanks to the Maui, Brits and Mighty camper brands. What sometimes comes as a surprise is that the company is also one of the largest motorhome manufacturers in Australia and New Zealand. Each year, THL produces between 600 and 700 RVs from its 2,000 square metre Melbourne factory in Braybrook. These RVs are built to withstand the tough rental market, with the company devoting quality workmanship and precision engineering so that each one can be used 80% of the time, compared to just 8% for a regular private RV. Kate Meldrum, General Manager of Australian Operations, first joined back in 1991 and now overlooks the Australian branch.
We've actually got three aspects of the business here on this site. We've got our factory where we design and build all our new campers, and we also import some of them from our business in New Zealand. We've also got our rental branch, and we're better known probably by the Brits and Maui brand names in terms of our rental holidays. And we also have our RV sales centre here, which is our owned dealership where customers come and buy RVs for their own private use.